Ready.
Good morning, students. I am Vikas Kumar from Notre Dame Public School. I am going to teach you class 6 science. Food chain. Students, we know that a grasshopper eats a green plant, a frog eats the grasshopper, the frog is eaten by a snake, and the snake is eaten by an eagle. These all come in food chain. The chain of events is called a food chain. This chain of events is called food chain. A food chain, this chain of events is called food chain. A food chain. Once again listen. A grasshopper eats a green plant. A frog eats a grasshopper. The frog is eaten by a snake and the snake is eaten by an eagle. This all statement we have. I delivered here. It's called chain of events. Is food chain. Now, a food chain shows how each animal, each living thing gets its food in a particular environment. A food chain shows how each living thing gets its food in a particular environment. The study of food chain also shows us the independence of various organisms in that environment. In a grassland, the following food chain exists. Grass is eaten by zebra and zebra is eaten by lion. A typical food chain in pond is algae, a small plants, a small fish, large fish. Note all students, all food chain begin from green plants. Now, our lesson is end and we are start. We are just starting for the giving answer. Sorry students, think and answer. Look here. So here. Food is needed for the dash and repair of the body, for providing dash to body and to protect the body against. Question number first. Food is needed for the body. Student, you fill in your book. If you have book, just purchase the book. And repair the body for providing energy to the body and to protect the body against various diseases. Second question is, green plants make their own food. They are known as producers. Also, I have sent today. I will send today PDF. Not sent. Already it is sent by me in earlier classes. Third question is, dash have sharp cutting teeth in front and flat grinding teeth at the back. Answer is herbivores. Herbivores have sharp cutting teeth in front and flat grinding teeth at the back. Question number 4 is, a food chain always starts from green plants. Next question is, Choose the most appropriate answer. So here, then so here. Exercise. A. Question number 1. Which of the food ingredients do we not get from plants or animals? Option is salt, honey, milk, wheat. Salt is our answer because salt we not get from plants. Second question is the first link in all food chain is herbivores, carnivores, plants, omnivores. Our answer is C, plants, because plants is first link for food chain. Third question is which of these eats food digested by other animals? Cow, lion, cockroach, tapeworm. Our answer is D, a tapeworm eat digested food. B. Give one word answer. Name one stem that has food stored in it. Potato is a food that has fat stored in it. Not fat, sorry. Potato is a stem that has food stored in it. Not fat, sorry students. Next, are humans herbivores, carnivores or omnivores? Human always omnivores. Some animals usually eat the dead bodies of other animals. What are they called? They are called scavengers. Scavengers always eat dead animals. Question number 4. Some food chains end at herbivore. True or false? Not food chain end at herbivore. Food chain ends at carnivore. So this statement is false statement. Question number 5. The chemical substances in food that your body needs are called. That chemical substances is called nutrients. Nutrients. Next question. Do all living things eat the same kind of food? No, all living things cannot eat same kind of food. These all answer in one word. Students, try this question also. I have already sent PDF of this lesson with exercise and think and answer. I will send today PDF of our answer sheet. So thanks student. In next class I will teach next lesson.